Are you a beginner and don't know where to start your yoga journey?
Here are 3 simple asanas that help improve your body balance. Vrikshasana or tree pose. Stand in Tadasana, bend the left leg and place the left foot on the right inner thigh. Avoid placing the foot on the knee. If it is difficult placing on the inner thigh, keep it below the knee. While inhaling, stretch the hands from the sides and join the palms over the head. Gaze at a point in front and breathe normally in the final posture. Exhale and bring the hands and your leg down and come to Tadasana. Repeat on the other side. Benefits of this asana: improves focus and builds concentration, strengthens legs, muscles of back and shoulders, relieves stiffness of shoulders. Veerbhadrasana 3. Stand in Tadasana, right foot one step back. Inhale and stretch the hands up. Join the palms. Exhale and bend forward. Lift the right leg up until the hands. Torso and leg are in one straight line. Left foot toes should be stretched and spread evenly for proper grip. Gaze at a point on the mat for better balance. Hold the posture while breathing normally. Inhale, slowly come back to the center. Exhale and relax the hands. Repeat on the other side. Benefits of this asana: tones and strengthens knees, thighs, ankles, shoulders and muscles of the back. Relieves stiffness in the neck, shoulder and back. Reduces stubborn fat from hips and improves the posture. Enhances blood circulation in the body. Builds stamina, develops a sense of balance and coordination. Natarajasana or dancer's pose. Stand in Tadasana. Fold the left leg backward. Hold the left ankle with the left hand. Inhale and stretch the right hand over the head. Now while exhaling, slightly lean forward and stretch the left leg upward. Gaze at a point while holding the posture and breathe normally. Inhale and come back to the center. Exhale, release the left leg and right hand. Repeat on the other side. Benefits of this asana: improves focus and builds concentration, strengthens your back, shoulders, arms, hips and legs, stretches the thighs, groin and abdominal organs, improves digestion.
Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy anytime.